Hi guys, I am Farah Khan. I hope all you are very well. So let's start today's class. मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. मुझे बहुत अफसोस है. I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. माजरत, मेरा मतलब ये नहीं था. Sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. I didn't mean to do that. मैं आपको तकलीफ पहुंचाने पर माजरत चाहता हूँ. I apologize for hurt you. I apologize for hurt you. क्या आप मुझे माफ़ कर सकते हैं? Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? मैं आपसे माजरत खा हूँ. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. आप इसके लिए मुझे इल्ज़ाम दे सकते हैं. You can blame me for this. You can blame me for this. You can blame me for this. मैं आपसे किस तरह माफ़ी मांगूं? How should I apologize to you? How should I apologize to you? How should I apologize to you? आपका इंतज़ार करते रहने के लिए माजरत. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry for keeping you waiting. मुझे माफ़ कर दें. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. माजरत, ये मेरी गलती है. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry, it's my fault. माफ़ कीजिएगा, मुझे देर हो गई. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. मैं आपसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. मुझे वाकई बहुत अफसोस है या मुझे वाकई बहुत शर्मिंदगी है. I am really very sorry. I am really very sorry. Guys, like this video and subscribe my channel to get notifications. This video link share with others. Bye bye.